Good evening, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. We are back in front of the GTO, as you can see here. Tonight, doing a ton of miscellaneous stuff. I'll give you a quick rundown. Haven't been here for a couple nights, obviously, since Saturday, since I think I downloaded the last video. So here's a quick update on what we're doing tonight. So I didn't get into putting the intake manifold on as I thought I would last Saturday or Sunday night. Actually, I think it was Monday night. Anyway, didn't get that on, so I'm going to get that on tonight. Get the fuel pump on. Got nice new fresh bolts for that. And I'm going to do a final cleanup under here. It's gotten all dusty from sitting. Do a final cleanup on all that. And then I got one extra here. I got the inner fenders all painted up and ready to go in. So those will go in tonight if I don't run out of energy this evening. So let's get to it. Put a little gasket maker around the edges where these water jackets come through. Just for insurance. And on we go. One of the things you always got to remember to do is to get this gasket up tight in front of the water jacket. Okay, we got the intake all in and tight against the water pump. So next thing I know I got to do is this needs to be a 90-degree fitting. This isn't the one that belongs on there, but that's what we had when we started it last year, or 4 years ago, 3 years ago, whatever it was. So anyway, everything's done there. Gotta put a new one of those on. This is tight. And we're rocking and rolling here. Next I'm going to go ahead and put the fuel pump on. Going to grease the bottom edge of that. And then get the gasket on it and get that all in. So that's next here. I put a little gasket maker on there. There's the grease. And I'm going to go ahead and clean up these rails and stuff while I'm waiting for that to sit up for about 15 or 20 minutes. It's just gotten filthy from sitting for the last 2 years. Mess under here. You've heard me commenting about moving everything over to a clean garage. This is what I'm talking about. I wanted everything in its final cleaning stage over at the other house, so that when it's all together, it's all looking nice. And I'm having to wipe stuff down like this. Do a final cleanup. Mind you, I'm not doing a great job here, but I will do a great job once we finish it up. It's just so dusty and filthy, I couldn't take it any longer. Spend all this money and time, I don't like it dirty. Yep, let's go ahead and get this fuel pump in here. Okay, we got the fuel pump in. Lines are here. We'll get these all straightened up and run later. And then supply lines down here as well. We'll get that put on to here. And then there's also the vent line, which is right there. So we got the fuel supply, and the fuel vent, and that'll finish up the fuel supply side. Get into here. Get vacuum for the transmission to run. We've got the rest of the lines on the top for the heater, which is there, and back there, the heater core. And that pretty much wraps up the top of the motor. We've got pulleys coming. Let's get all that looking nice and brand new. Waiting for the exhaust to get powder coated. I don't know what's holding them up, but we'll find that out this week. So stay tuned, guys. I don't think I'm going to bother putting in the fender wells tonight. I'm hot. I got to take the wheels off to do it, just to avoid scratching everything. So stay tuned. Hit that like button, please. Share this with your friends. So please subscribe and hit the all so you get all the notifications. And don't hesitate to comment below. Take care, guys.